10 top tips for bonfire safety from Mel's Mini Media Squad and Julie Council.
Always wear goggles when using sparklers.
Don't go too close to fireworks. Stay safe. Stay a safe distance from bonfires. Keep your pets indoors at all times. Be safe with sparklers. Put them down late or use glowing sticks instead.
Only adults should touch fireworks.
Always stay close to the pit. Don't give sparklers to anyone under 5. Wear eardrums or earmuffs if it's too loud. Be safe, be seen!
Just on the night.